Welcome to SynapTech, your favorite hub for everything AI and technology. Today, we're diving even deeper into one of the most talked about topics in the tech world, GPT-5. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or just curious about the future, this episode is packed with insights, real-world examples, and practical tips on how to harness GPT-5 in your daily life. So, what exactly is GPT-5? Think of it as the next evolution in AI language models, a massive leap beyond GPT-4. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-5 is fully multimodal, meaning it can process and generate not just text, but also images, audio, and even video. This means you can chat with it, ask it to analyze a graph, or even get help producing a quick video, all from one unified AI model. Let's talk about its context window. GPT-5 boasts an unprecedented memory, capable of processing over 1 million tokens in a single conversation. That's enough to hold entire books, research papers, and complex technical documents. Imagine discussing an entire thesis with GPT-5, and it never misses a beat. This extended memory isn't just for academia. Imagine a business team feeding months of meeting notes into GPT-5 and getting a detailed, coherent strategy summary. Or a journalist analyzing years of articles to identify trends and insights. The possibilities are endless. Advanced reasoning is another game changer. GPT-5 isn't just about regurgitating information. It's designed to reason through problems, compare sources, and offer nuanced solutions. Think of it as a brainstorming partner that never sleeps. Let's talk multimodality. With GPT-5, you can drag in a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even an audio file, and it can analyze and summarize and generate content that makes sense of it all. For example, you can upload a podcast transcript, and GPT-5 can turn it into a blog post or highlight key moments in seconds. One of the most innovative features is customizable personas. GPT-5 can shift its tone, style, and even its domain knowledge to match your needs. Whether you want a formal tone for business, a friendly tone for social media, or even a playful tone for kids' content, GPT-5 can adapt instantly. Persistent memory is also more sophisticated in GPT-5. It can remember your preferences, project details, and even past conversations. So, every time you return, it feels like picking up a conversation with an old friend rather than starting from scratch. Now, let's dive into real-world applications. Content creators can leverage GPT-5 to brainstorm ideas, draft scripts, and even generate short videos. Imagine planning an entire YouTube series with the help of GPT-5. Outlines, scripts, thumbnails, and even captions, all done in minutes. Businesses can streamline customer support by using GPT-5 to handle queries, resolve issues, and even upsell products. With its multimodal skills, GPT-5 can understand screenshots, interpret graphs, and give real-time, human-like assistance. In education, teachers can use GPT-5 to design personalized learning experiences. Imagine an AI that not only answers students' questions but also adapts its explanations to match their learning pace and style, making education more inclusive and effective. Healthcare is another area where GPT-5 is making a splash. It can help medical professionals by summarizing patient data, generating reports, and even providing draft diagnostic suggestions. While it doesn't replace doctors, it can make their workflows more efficient. Developers can use GPT-5 for coding assistance, from generating code snippets to debugging complex logic. Imagine pairing GPT-5 with your favorite IDE to get instant, context-aware code reviews or documentation. Creative industries love GPT-5 for its versatility. Musicians can use it to brainstorm lyrics or chord progressions, Video editors can get help with script-to-storyboard conversions. Even marketing teams can draft compelling ad copy or social posts in minutes. Let's look at some real-life user stories. Sarah, a freelance writer, uses GPT-5 to generate article drafts, saving her hours of research and writing each week. Mark, a data analyst, feeds large CSV files into GPT-5 to identify trends and generate quick insights. Lisa, a small business owner, automates her customer support with GPT-5, freeing up time to focus on growth. With all this power, though, come important ethical considerations. How do we ensure GPT-5 is used responsibly? Issues like data privacy, bias, and misinformation are critical. At SynapTech, we believe that every AI user should be aware of these challenges and work to mitigate them. Data privacy means ensuring that sensitive information is handled securely and not misused. Bias means that the AI might sometimes reflect societal prejudices. And misinformation means that AI-generated content should always be double-checked, especially for critical decisions. GPT-5 also raises questions about the future of work. While it can enhance productivity, it also means some jobs may evolve or even disappear. That's why it's essential for companies and individuals to focus on upskilling and learning how to collaborate effectively with AI. The competitive landscape is heating up too. Google's Gemini, Anthropic's Claude, and Meta's Llama are all pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. This competition drives innovation, but also means that users need to stay informed about which model suits their needs best. Looking forward, GPT-5 is likely to integrate even more seamlessly with existing tools. Imagine GPT-5 integrated into project management software, customer relationship management systems, and even creative suites. It's not just a chatbot, it's an ecosystem. Imagine starting your day with GPT-5 summarizing your emails, drafting replies, and highlighting urgent tasks. Then, it helps you prep for a meeting by generating a presentation based on yesterday's notes. In the afternoon, it helps you brainstorm ideas for a new product launch. That's the future we're heading toward. Here at SynapTech, we're committed to exploring these possibilities and helping you make the most of this groundbreaking technology. We'll continue to share tutorials, case studies, and the latest updates so you can stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into GPT-5. If you enjoyed this extended look at what's coming, please hit the like button, subscribe to SynapTech, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use GPT-5 in your life or business. Scene 24. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the frontiers of AI with SynapTech.